We're going to go through all the process and procedures of pouring concrete into a small mixer today to make all the concrete, the right level of water to add. I'm going to use a 6:1 ratio of Portland cement. Once we've got all the ingredients we want in the mixer, we empty it out into our barrow. It's not uncommon to have restricted access to people's backyards. We dump our concrete into this custom-built trough and using gravity on our side. Getting all this concrete into our foundation is a bit like managing a river system deep into our foundation. We just tap them in with our hammer to get them to the right depth so they're not all the way through the bottom of the concrete. We have to work with this split level in the backyard and get our materials in somehow. And then later we'll be using our trowel to get a more exact level. This foundation has multiple levels. The concrete gels up enough to hold this concrete in place. This last form is the highest form in the systems. That completes the first stage of our concrete pour.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.